So I think it's amazing.
Yeah, so it means you are able to experience the luxurious portrait experience or masterpiece of hardboard into just one phone. So thank you so much, Borgie. Guys, I'm very curious also, what's your experience during the Honor 200 photo shoot? Because you were able to work with our celebrity friends as well, members of the press, and other friends, Honor fans and Honor community. Borgie, what was your experience during that time?
It was great because I met a lot of really amazing people and I really enjoyed shooting within the phone as well. Yeah.
Alright. What about you, Belle? Because you're really into photography as well.
Yeah, bukod sa na-meet ko yung maraming mga tao, nag-enjoy ako, nagkunan yung mga tao ng limited lighting lang, pero ang ganda agad. Di ba parang less yung setup, pero grabe, parang yung sinet up mo parang 10 na ilaw, kahit 3 lang, ganun.
So it also means that it's really bang for the bucks.
Yeah.
Like you can save so much by using Honor 200 just to capture a good portrait. Alright, Bella, I'm also curious, what was your highlight during the photo shoot we did weeks ago?
Nanibago ko dun sa lighting setup kasi iba ako mag-shoot. Tapos, nalaman ko pala na every shadows and every light na pumapasok sa face nung pinungko namin, ibig sabihin pala yung sa Hardware Studio. So parang, okay, kailangan mo pala mag-adapt dun sa shoot. And hindi rin siya masyadong mahirap using continuous light. Kasi parang may something dun sa cellphone na parang maganda siya agad. Basta using the correct lighting and execution, talagang mabuhay parang same na same sa Hardware Studio.
Yeah. All of you guys are into DSLR photography, we all know that. But Belle, since you are more into mobile photography, what are your tips in doing mobile photography with Honor 200?
Tips, siguro for the media or influencers, since kayo nandito, I think yung advice ko lang for mobile photography is just find your light. Kasi kapag nandun yung ilaw, yun yung hanapin mo kapag mag-picture ka. Tsaka personality mo na siya eh, yung mga pinopost mo, kunyari, kahit stories lang, or kahit post, parang personality niya siya. So, dapat gandahin nyo na din. Effort, ganun.
Alright, thank you so much, Belle, Bella, and Borgie for that insightful statement. So, guys, thank you so much for making this event possible as well. Because without your portraits, this area, this place won't be that beautiful tonight. So, thank you so much.